Hi traders, welcome to Kajane Trade and Train. Kajane Trade and Train. Today's video is about Bank Nifty review dated 22nd June 21. 22nd June 21. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. This CPR is related to intraday trade. What are all the key price points? You will see. This is R1, this is R2, this is previous day high, this is S1 support 1, this is support 2. This itself is the CPR. How important this key price points? Just look this one. This is the R1 resistance 1. Today's candles are opened. This is 5 minutes candle chart. Today's 5 minutes candles are opened here. Just observe this resistance 1 line. This is the resistance 1. Candles are opened here, green, red, green, and it has moved up to here. See how this price is acted as a resistance up to here. Up to here it is resistance. From here it took the supports. Bulls took the support but could not move up. Bulls are weak, they could not move up. Then bears came into the picture. This resistance up to here, up to here it has the support. From here it has become the support. Up to here it was acted as a resistance. From here to here it gave the support to the market, but bulls could not take on. This support has become turned to resistance. This is the meaning of this one. See how important this price line. This support turned into resistance. This support turned into resistance. Once the market takes from support to resistance, just see from here how market has become bearish and going down to down. The same one as repeated. This is the previous day high. This line, this trend line is drawn based on the previous day high. This is the previous day high. Just observe here. Up to here it gave the support to the market. Up to here it gave the support to the market. This support once turned into the resistance. Support turned into the resistance, market will go down. See these price, that's why these the key price points to set up your intraday trade. How helpful all this, though it is a very small technique, and by reading this technique on the chart, traders will make a proper decision for the intraday setup. This is the identification of key price points by CPR. That's why it's a great thing. CPR is giving these key price points for a trader to make intraday trade setup. Today CPR is the wide range CPR. When the CPR is wide, the trading range will become narrow. Just see this one. See, these are all the very small techniques. If you know these techniques, your trading decision will become good. See, when CPR range is wide, the trading range, see from here to up to here, the trading range is around 300 points only. Up to 70% of the time, from 9:15 to almost around 1:30, around 70% of the time market is in the sideways direction. Wide range CPR, sideways market. Candles try to spend major time within the range. See, within the range, candles major time try to spend within the within the range, stands good between R1 to S1 or previous day low to previous day high. If you see the 2 days relationship, it is overlapping on the higher side. It indicates it's a sideways to bullish market. CPR opening trick, opened above the candles, opened above the CPR and below R1. As per the CPR trick, it should go like this, but bulls are become weak, bears will become the strong. Market has been pulled down. See, this is statement. CPR attracts the candles like magnets. See, this is the CPR. How CPR is attracting the candles towards the CPR. This is the power of CPR. This is the power of CPR. See, CPR attracts the candles like magnet. How this CPR is attracting the candles towards the, see, this is the statement. Based on this statement, what a trader has to take a decision. This is attracting towards CPR means the market is going down. It's a bearish market. That is the decision. By seeing this chart and CPR power, trader has to make a decision. Trade setup, if you are in the non-directional view up to here about 70% of the time, it is a directional view. Make a short straddle or a strangle. To learn all these things, we are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturdays and Sunday, where you can learn and earn. Thank you.